Hi traders, just want to give you an update to the pound dollar today. Now before I do, just be aware, just on the news front and the holiday front, yesterday we had Independence Day in the US, so trading was very low volume. And then the market's waiting for tomorrow morning's 4 o'clock in the morning FOMC meeting minute release, and also the US unemployment figures on Friday. So it's a little bit slow going in the market at the moment, but with that in mind, let's get to the charts. Right traders, so on the pound dollar weekly chart, we're in an uptrend here. We're just having a 2-week pullback, and I said on the weekend the key level to watch would be 126.79. This top would price hold above it, act as support, or move below it and act as resistance. So at the moment, Monday, Tuesday, we've been holding above. So at the moment I'm using that as my level of support, 126.79, and I'm looking within this weekly uptrend, a long-term move, possibly targeting up here at 130. We have this imbalance formed last year that hasn't been filled yet. So if the market is targeting the filling of this imbalance, then potentially we're moving up to 130. All right, with that in mind, the weekly trend's up, so let's just drop down to the day chart and have a closer look. All right, traders, in contrast on the day chart, we have lower tops and bottoms, but if we are forming a higher bottom here on the weekly chart potentially, we will move above the last lower top and start to change trend. Now the key thing I'm watching here is the last 3 trading days are all closing above that weekly top at 126.79. So through the week I'm going to be watching to see if we dip down to 126.79, can that level hold as support for a move higher this week. Alright, with that in mind, let's drop down to the 4-hour chart and have a closer look. Alright traders, on the 4-hour chart, I've just drawn in a fib from this low to high within this 4-hour uptrend. I'm just monitoring the pullback at the moment, looking to see if price can pull back to weekly support, 126.79. 79% fib overlaps at 126.75, so I'm watching that area just there. Can price pull back, hold? Can you see set up to buy for a further move up this week? Targeting a break above last week's high to confirm a higher bottom on the weekly chart. And then we're going to see a continued advance this week, and in the month towards that 130 level that I was discussing on the weekly chart. And finally traders, if you have the time, join me at tonight's webinar. You can register by using the link in the description below.